In this video, I'll show you how to upload resume on LinkedIn from mobile. If you want to apply for jobs faster on your phone, uploading your resume in the LinkedIn mobile app is a smart first step. LinkedIn allows you to upload a resume during an easy apply application, and it also lets you store recently used resumes in your job application settings for future applications. LinkedIn says it keeps up to 4 of your most recently uploaded resumes, and supported resume files should be PDF or Microsoft Word, with a recommended file size under 2 megabytes. To get started, open the LinkedIn app on your phone and tap the Jobs tab. From there, search for a job that fits what you want. When you find one, tap the job title to open the details. Now look for the Easy Apply button. This part is important, because LinkedIn only lets you upload and use a resume directly inside LinkedIn when the job uses Easy Apply. If you only see a regular apply button, LinkedIn will send you to the company's website instead. After you tap Easy Apply, LinkedIn will open the application steps. Fill in the required information, then go to the resume section. There, tap Upload Resume and choose the file from your mobile device. Once the file is attached, continue through the application screens, review everything carefully, and then tap Submit. That is the simplest way to upload a new resume from mobile while applying for a job. There is also another useful option if you want to prepare in advance. LinkedIn says you can go to the Jobs area, open Preferences, then go to Resumes and Application Data, and upload a resume there before you apply. That can save time later because your resume is already stored and ready to use in future Easy Apply applications. LinkedIn also notes that the mobile app supports reusing recently uploaded resumes, which is helpful if you want to apply to several jobs without uploading the same file every time. One more thing to remember is that uploading a resume on LinkedIn Mobile is different from saving your profile as a PDF. LinkedIn's Help Center says the Save to PDF profile feature is not available in the mobile app, so if your goal is to upload a resume for job applications, you should use the Jobs section and Easy Apply flow instead. That's how to upload resume on LinkedIn from mobile. Open the Jobs tab, choose an Easy Apply job, upload your resume from your phone, and save it so future applications are even faster. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.